Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add a new language to learn inside the Duolingo application on your Android. So let us begin. In the first step, launch Duolingo on your Android. And here guys, on your home feed or home screen, tap into that small home icon in the bottom left corner. And here in that view guys, what you want to do is tap into the current flag or language flag in the top left, which is in my case here Spanish, because I'm currently participating in a Spanish language course. Tap into it, and after that tap into that plus button here next to your language and start a new language. You may select one from that list below. So let me go, for example, with, let me go with Polish, for example. Tap into it, tap into continue. And after that, Duolingo will create your first lesson so that you may tap into continue below. You may customize your lessons, for example, by answering to questions like these. For example, Duolingo will ask you if you have already some speaking or language experience in the given language, or if that's the first time you're using the given language. So let me go with that option, tap into continue. And after that, you will see here lesson number 1 by tapping into continue. And that's basically it, guys. If you'd like to switch between these languages, just return to the previous menu, just like that, and tap into that flag icon in the top left and navigate between your languages like Spanish or Polish or Japanese, French, and so on and so forth. And you will see your progress saved below so that you may, for example, continue where you left off the last time with your lesson here. You may navigate through these units, and that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.